Everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. So I've got a box from, or I should say, I got a delivery from Stationery Pal, and I ordered several different types of pens and markers, I think, but I also ordered a mystery box from them. They have several different types of mystery boxes, so I could not resist. I had to order me one. The mystery box, the one I got was for their 7th anniversary. So I have no idea what to expect, you guys. Now, I could not find if this company ships outside the US, so I apologize for that. I will try harder next time if I do buy anything more from them. But this is not a subscription box. This entire box is the mystery. But they did send a very pretty box, you guys. Look at those. Excuse me. Very cute box. So let me dive in and see. Okay, look at this. Thank you. Open up. Oh, and the sticker says Stationery Pal. Oh my goodness. How stinking cute. You guys, look at this. Look at that. What is that? Oh my goodness. Look at him. Is he not adorable? And he's so stinking soft. And he's got a little thing you can hang him. You guys, that is stinking cute. And look at all these goodies that are in here to make a mess with. I love it. Talk about festive. Bonus points for the experience. Big, big bonus points. Excuse me. Okay, so first thing, I am going to set aside here the mystery. So this must be, even though it says Happy Valentine's Day, this must have been during Valentine's Day. Because I don't, yeah. I don't know, but let me, you guys, there's stuff everywhere. It's so funny. This is all the goodies. Like, look at all of those. So pretty. So let me just show you what I bought first, and then we'll dive in to the mystery. And this first thing here, I don't think I bought this. They must have thrown this in, you guys. So it's like a small little washi tape. I don't think I bought that. So let's set that there. Okay. So the first that I bought is one of the Sanrio character pens. And so see, I couldn't find me a pen subscription. That was in my budget. So I just went and did all of this. And, excuse me, look how cute. I don't know if you're seeing that very well. There we go. He's cute. Okay. So cute. So everything that I am going to be showing you before we get here, I want to say was like $21 or maybe 40 cents. And they did have a discount. I want to say I got 16% off. So I got a really good deal, you guys, for what I got here. So when I'm talking about, I don't want a crazy expensive subscription. That's kind of what I'm talking about. So look at these pretty stickers. And look at those, how cute those are. And I don't think, I think they threw threw these two things in here, you guys, because I'm pretty sure I didn't pick these. It's Stationery. Oh, there we go. Stationery Pal. And I got two of them, you guys. So I am pretty sure, you guys, I did not pick these. But let's see what colors they are. All right. So that's a pink. That is a pink. That one's not wanting to stay down. There we go. That one's a pink. All right, let me go on the complete opposite side. That one's a pink. That's interesting. So they give us a great pink pen. Let me check this one out and see if this one's pink too. Well, if I can get them to go down. There we go. And it's pink too. Okay, yeah. That's nice. Okay, what I wanted, I had gotten in one of my other subscription box, was a marker that the tip, when you pressed it down, had an arrow shape. I loved it. But everywhere I looked for that brand, because like that was the brand that seemed to have those shapes, they were like all sold out. So I was on this Stationery Pal's website and I found all of these unique shapes. So this one is purple or lavender, and it's a moon shape, you guys. So let me... Oops. Okay. And then this one is like a greenish, and it is a triangle. Okay. And I think there is some like getting used to like the steady hand and everything. So we've got a pink heart. Okay. And then a yellow or a lime. It is a star. It's kind of like a lime green color. And then a gray that's just a square box. And last but not least, this is a bluish, slate blue, I guess, teardrop. And let me do one. I'll do it the other way. Well, remember, the user has to make sure that they're doing it right. So let me hide some of my bad ones here. But here are the different shapes, you guys. So like this is my good one I'm saying for the teardrop. But I love them for my my planners. I love them, you guys. So it was these, this, and these stickers, I'm going to say was like the 21.40. And I think that even included like the shipping, because this with the discount was $12.99, and my whole order I think came to like 30 bucks and something. So great deal. Excuse me. And they have sent me a nice card, a nice thank you. And I love it. I love it, you guys. So let's get into the mystery box now. Okay. So again, oh, wait. Can we go back to this? You guys. I just love it. I just love it. I love it. I got to keep it away from my cats because I have a feeling they would love it. So let's get in here. Tickle. Oh goodness, that sticker is really on there. Oh, now I've got even more confetti stuff flying out. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's a lot of stuff in here. All right, let me just start by pulling some stuff out. The first is an eraser. And on it are some, I think it's Japanese artwork, I believe. And then this is also a plastic eraser. And then, well, I think I know what this is, but I am going to have to open it to double check because there's no words in English. I'm thinking it's a glue stick. It's what I'm like leaning towards. Okay, that would kind of make sense because this I think dries clear. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's a glue stick. Sticky. I like it. All right, you guys. And it's not just a glue stick, you guys. It's sticky, tacky like. And it dries very quick. So like it's already dried there. But if you push your finger down, you can see it. There's some stickiness to it. But okay, I like it. Next, correction tape. Okay. So correction tape went out of my vocabulary. Goodness gracious, over 25 years ago. Reason being, the industry that I am in, we cannot use this. But in my planners, I can use my personal planner, I can use correction tape. Okay, still more. So we've got some avocado washi tape. And then, gosh, you guys, we have got an assortment of pens. So this one I think is just a black ink pen. MUJI is the brand, and it's black, and it's 0.5. Yes, 0.5. So it's smooth gel ink ballpoint pen, knock type 0.5. And then we've got by Faber-Castell. That name sounds really familiar, like it's a fancy brand, but I don't think I know it for pens. 0.5, and it is a white ink Econ Ice Barrel. So a white ink. This is by Zebra CJJ6, and this is green ink. So a green ink pen. This is by Pentel, and it says always recap after use. And it is a yellow highlighter. And does it open the other side too? It does. So double-sided. Nice. This for graphic artists, Cure Colors. It's an alcohol-based dye stuff ink. It is twin barrel, so both sides. One side is broad, the other one is fine. Looking. There we go. And that's black, I can tell there. Excuse me. And, oh, this is pretty. This is by Uni. And I'm going to take the little protective off the bottom because I want to tell. So yes, this is the color of ink. Love it. So you guys, that is 1, 2, 3. So we got 4 pens, 1 highlighter, and 1 alcohol-based ink. Just right there, you guys. And I paid $12.99. I think I'm going to become addicted to their mystery boxes because there's still more stuff, you guys. Oh, my Melody. Let's open this up. And it is multiple pieces of paper. There we go. Very cute. This will just sit behind my desk when I need to write something real quick. There were 2 more things and pens in here, you guys. So this is a zebra pen, Sarah, 0.5, and it's pink ink. And this Karen Brush Marker Pro, violet blue brush marker, or a brush. I'm extremely happy, you guys. This is so much more than I thought it was going to be. And now we've hit the end, but we have hit it with a Kokyo, pronouncing that wrong, notebook. Isn't that cool? And it is lined. And let's see here, what can I say about this? It's A5. And I love it. So it looks like it is going to be a lay flat notebook, so I love that as well. So you guys, Stationery Pal, remember that name. Go check them out, not only for their regular products, but their mysteries, you guys. I mean, look at all of these. Look at all this. So stinking impressed. You guys, love it. So happy, so happy. I mean, these pens alone, so happy. So again, I don't believe they're a subscription. They have a lot of different mystery boxes though. So go check them out, you guys. Stationery Pal. All right, thank you as always for spending some time with me, and we will see each other again here soon. Bye, everyone.